Bobby. Hi, Muffin. Hi. Oh, I hope you have a home. It's cold out here. Out in the middle of nowhere. Hi, Muffin. You're just gonna walk away. No. He's cute. Anthony. He ran right over to the lady. Huh? Yeah, he found his own. He wants to go home with her.